Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a huge makeup haul. So over the last few months and over Christmas, I have had makeup and I've bought makeup and I've been picking stuff up and I've been bundling them together ready to do a huge haul for you guys. So there's stuff from ASOS, Boots, Beauty Bay, everywhere really. So I'm going to try and be as quick as I can throughout this video. Right, so this video isn't going to have any particular order because I've just got everything laid out in front of me. I think I've tried to categorize them into shops. So I think I'm starting with Boots, but it's also a mixture of Amazon as well. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with nail polishes. So I love Essie nail polishes. They're my favourite brand. So first of all, I've got the Essie nail polish in the shade Go Ginza. I'm not sure. And this is like a lilac shade. I'm pretty sure that the Essie were 3 for 2 because I have 3 here. So I also have the shade Mochi. Don't know these names. Which is a baby pink type shade. And then I have a sparkly shade which is called A Cut Above. So it's kind of like a purpley pinky sparkly glittery shade. I'm sure there was a 3 for 2 going on there. Then the next 3 are actually from B&M. They're W7 nail polishes. So I picked up these over Christmas and they were really sparkly nail polishes. So first of all, I have the shade A Wish Confetti, which is a blue sparkly glittery shade. Then I have the shade I Love Confetti, which is a purpley mauvey pinky shade, sparkly glitter. And then I have a Festivity Confetti. So this is the red version. So these were like $2.99 each, so really affordable and really sparkly as well. Okay, next up I have this L'Oreal Revitalift Laser Renew eye cream thing. So this was given to me as a gift, so I have no idea how much it was. It's like an eye roll-on type thing. So it's supposed to smooth wrinkles, tighten your eyes and lift your eyes. It has hyaluronic acid and pro-cycling. I don't know how to say that word. So it's anti-aging. It's just perfect really for your eyes. It says bags are less visible, wrinkles are reduced and eyes appear more toned, firmer and lifted. So it actually says age 40 plus. Now I have been using eye creams since I was about 13. I know it's excessive, but I really don't want wrinkly eyes, so I'll take anything, even if it's 40 plus. I know I'm only 24, but I'll take it, so yes. So I'm very excited to try this out. Okay, next up I have this e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. So I've never used a hydrating primer by e.l.f. before, but I love their matte primer. So this is in the shade Clear Transparent. So I think you can get pore ones, pink ones, different types of ones. But yeah, when my skin is particularly dry, I do need something hydrating, so I picked this up. Unfortunately, I don't know the prices of these items because a lot of them I bought in the store, and honestly, I haven't got a clue, but I can pretty much guess for you guys. Okay, then we have some Revlon lip crayon things. So I love the Revlon lip crayons, but they're so hard to get now, so I could only get them on Amazon. So first of all, this one is the matte balm and it's in the shade Enchanting. So it's kind of like a nude shade. Then I have another matte version which is called Elusive, which is a pinky shade. And then I have another matte which is in the shade Fierce, which is more of a brown type shade. And then I have this pack of 3 mini travel size ones, which have the shade Sweetheart, Honey and Rendezvous. So that would be perfect for travelling. I think this was around about £10 as well on Amazon. Then I have this Barry M Mango Lip Scrub. So I go through phases where my lips are just so dry that I need to exfoliate them and just give them a bit of a scrub. So I use this and I absolutely love it. It's so easy to use. You just dip your finger in, rub it on your lips and then wipe it off. It's so nice and it smells amazing. I think this was around about $3.99 on Amazon as well. And then the final thing from Boots or Amazon is this sleek eyeshadow palette. So this is the Level Up Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. It's also vegan, which is really cool. And look at the shades in there. super pretty, and I love these size palettes for traveling as well. So I think this was around about £7.99, £8.99. Okay, I also had this as a gift for Christmas. I love the Nivea lip balms. I use them every single night before bed. I use them in the winter, spring, autumn, just throughout the day, just to give me some hydration. And this one has a water boost one, a rosy pink one, a normal one, and then a pearly shine one. So I go through these really quickly, so I love this set, and it has a really cute tin as well, really handy. I also got this, so keep an eye out for a review on this. So I love the Garnier face masks. I love them. I've tried almost every one, but not every single one. So I asked for this for Christmas because I love them. They are so hydrating, so moisturising, and they're so affordable as well, so I love them. Now I've tried these two, but I haven't tried this one on the end, so I will do a review of that one. But I haven't tried these bottom ones either, so I'll do a review of those as well. So it has 3 sheet masks, and then it has 2 eye masks. So yeah, very excited to try this out. Okay, now I'm moving on to Beauty Bay. Okay, so first up I have this Morphe brush. So this is the M449 brush, and I don't know what type of brush they would use it for, but for me, I would use this for blending out under eye concealer. I have no idea how much this was, but I love Morphe brushes. They're my favourite brushes. They're the best quality. And I just love them, so I got this one. Then I picked up this Sample Beauty Pigment. So it's like an eyeshadow sparkly glittery pigment. So it's a gold sparkly glittery eyeshadow. I'm not going to open it because I just lifted the lid and glitter went everywhere. So it's just a glitter eyeshadow pigment. Then I have the Beauty Bay highlighter. I've never tried their makeup really before. So this is the powder highlighter in the shade Flash. So wow, that is a blinding gold highlight. Then I have the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. So this is the 16 colour palette in the shade Nude, and it's all nude, obviously nude shades, but it's a mixture of mattes and satin shades. So very wearable, also very lightweight for traveling as well. Next up I have the Makeup Revolution travel sized eyeshadow palette. So this is the Forever Dynamic Animal Ego eyeshadow palette. So it's just a mixture of mattes and glitter shades. Very easy to take traveling with you. Very wearable eyeshadow as well. And I also have this one, which is also a Forever Dynamic, but it's in the shade Allure. And this is more of a mauvey type shades. Also a mixture of mattes and glitters. And then I have the large version of that palette as well. So I bought the little one for traveling, but obviously I want the large version as well. So it's the same, just obviously with a lot more shades. And look how beautiful that palette is. It is gorgeous. I cannot wait to try that out. Then I have this lip gloss set. Now this is the Friends collection by Makeup Revolution, and this is the Phoebe lip kit. So inside it has 2 lip glosses and 1 lip liner. So as you can see, very nude wearable shades. Very excited to try those out. And then the final things from Beauty Bay are some lip glosses. So I've never tried, like I said, I've never tried Beauty Bay makeup before, so I wanted to pick up a few things. I'm actually wearing one of the glosses today. So these are just the Beauty Bay lip glosses. So I'm wearing the shade Candy, which is this one here. I also have the shade Mocha, which is a brown nude shade. Then I have the shade Slippers, which is a very pale brown nude shade. And the final one I have is the shade Petal, which is more of a dark pink type shade. These are very comfortable glosses to wear. As you can see, they're not sticky at all, and they last a pretty decent time on your lips as well, so I really like them. Okay, now I'm going to move on to ASOS. So I have quite a few things from ASOS and things that I'm very excited about from ASOS. So ASOS were doing a sale quite a while ago now, and I took that opportunity to buy some Charlotte Tilbury makeup. So I've never really tried out Charlotte Tilbury makeup before because it's so expensive, but one year I was gifted the mascara and eyeliner set by Charlotte Tilbury and I loved it, so I wanted to try out more things. So I think I had about 25% off all this Charlotte Tilbury makeup that I've got here. So I'm just going to start. So first of all, I have the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. So look how gorgeous this packaging is. So this is in the shade Too Neutral. So I went on the website and I did my colour match. It's like find your shade, which is really helpful actually. So hopefully it will be a decent shade match. Like I said, I have no idea how much these things were, but whatever they were on ASOS, I had them for about 25% off. So that's really, really good. So yeah, I'm very excited to try that out. Look how gorgeous that is. Then I have the setting spray. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. It's supposed to set your face for up to 16 hours and just lock in your face makeup. So I'm very excited to try that out. Then I have the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. So let's have a look at this. Look at the luxury on this packaging. It just looks high quality, doesn't it? Okay, so this is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder, and mine is in the shade 1 Fair, so just a pressed powder. Then I have the blush. It's the Pillow Talk Cheek to Cheek Swish and Glow Blusher in the shade Pillow Talk. So look at that, gorgeous. Then I have this duo, so it's like a contour or bronze and highlight duo. So let's open this up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight palette. So this is in the shade light to medium. So it's a bronzer and a highlighter. Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try these. Then I have the Rest Adjust lip products by Charlotte Tilbury. So I have the Hot Lips lipstick in the shade Kim KW. So this is a pale pink, I think. Yeah, a pale pinky nude lipstick. Then I have the Pillow Talk Original Matte Lipstick, Matte Revolution lipstick. This is what it looks like. And then the final thing by Charlotte Tilbury is a lip gloss. So this is the Pillow Talk lip gloss. So it's the Lip Luster Lip Lacquer. So yeah, it's just a Pillow Talk in the lip gloss version. That was everything from Charlotte Tilbury. I will be doing a makeup tutorial and review of all of that Charlotte Tilbury makeup on my channel in the upcoming weeks, so keep an eye out for that as well. But I was very excited, obviously, because I had at least 25% off all of those products through ASOS. So what I would do is I would recommend looking for sales. Obviously it's very expensive, this makeup, so look for sales, try and get them in the sales as well. Now the final things are by ASOS, and they are the booty boxes. So I've never used these booty boxes before, never really heard of them. I didn't even know they existed, but I found them and I'm very excited to try them. So first of all, I have the November No Makeup box. So it looks like this. These are all £12, by the way. And then inside it has the Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush. So this is in the shade Blush Me Up. So in this box I've got a blush, a liquid blush. So it looks like this. Then I've got a Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mini Travel Size Mascara. I've used this mascara before in the past and I love it. So it's just a mini travel size version. Then I have this Lottie Retractable Eyeliner in the shade Espresso. I've never heard of that brand before. A brown eyeliner that you can retract. Then I have the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. So just a hydrating lip product by Ciate. Very excited to try that out. And then the final thing in that set was a Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Light. So it's just a mini travel size version of the light cream. So that's very exciting as well. And this was £12, so this was the November box. Then I have the December box. So it looks like this. Also £12. Looks like this inside. So in this one, we have a mini version of the Lush shower gel, and this one is Snow Fairy, so it's just a travel size Lush shower gel. Then we have a Ciate Glow 2 highlighter, so it's a mini Ciate London highlighter, and then it looks like that. I would say that's too dark for me. It's in the shade Sunburst. Then we have Charlotte Tilbury. I love these ASOS boxes because they always have something Charlotte Tilbury in them. So this is the Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. So it's just a small like serum to put on your face, like a dropper thing. Very excited to use that. Then we have something from The Ordinary. So it's a salicylic acid mask. So it's kind of like a face mask. Never used anything from The Ordinary before, so yeah, I'll give that a try. It's formulated for blemish prone skin. Interesting. And then the final thing is the Easelox Wonder Wand Luxury Finishing Cream. Oh, I've never heard of that brand before. Not really sure what that is, but yeah. That was the December box. And then the final thing wasn't a monthly box. It is just this giant box here. This was actually £20. It's the Gift of ASOS makeup box. So it was a bit more expensive, obviously a bit bigger as well. So there's more things in here. So that's the contents of this box. So inside this box we have a full size Mario, don't ask me to pronounce his last name, face setting spray. So this one has aloe, herbs and rose water. So it's just a setting spray by Mario Badescu. Then we have a Uoma Beauty makeup sponge. This is the dual density makeup sponge. Then we have a Revolution mini eyeshadow palette. So this is called the Forever Dynamic Eternal eyeshadow palette. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look how nice that is. Then we have a Too Faced mini size mascara. This is the Better Than Sex mascara. So it's just a mini travel size version. Then we have a Morphe Jelly Eye Shimmer in the shade Whoa. So I'm not sure that colour is for me. Don't think I'll be using that one. Then we have a Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. It's a blurring primer. It's also like a sample travel size version. And we have a Huda Beauty Silk Balm lip gloss. So this is in the shade Blush, and it's the Hydra Plumping Lip Balm. So some really luxurious things in this box. We have Laura Mercier, Huda Beauty, Morphe, Too Faced, Mario. And then the final thing is a Charlotte Tilbury. Like I said, they always try to include Charlotte Tilbury in the boxes. So this is the Walk of No Shame eyeliner. So it's just an eyeliner pencil in the shade Walk of No Shame. So yeah, that was the last thing in that box. I think that's really good value for money. These boxes are so affordable. They sell out, the day that they go out is the day that they sell out basically, and that's it. So they do sell out really quickly, so you have got to be fast. Basically it's good quality for what you pay for. So it's worth trying them out if you are looking for some new makeup to try. So yeah, that was everything in my haul. This took a very long time to film. I think it's going to take even longer to edit. But yeah, thanks for sticking through it, guys. We had a lot of products to go through today. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!